Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. In this video today, I would like to talk about the newly unveiled Ford F-150 Lightning electric pickup truck. The F-150 Lightning is Ford's first series production electric pickup truck based on its best-selling F-150 series. While carrying forward all the practicality and the characteristics of the F-150 pickup, the new F-150 Lightning brings in electric performance along with never-before utility options. While the overall design is similar to that seen on the regular F-150 pickup, the new F-150 Lightning features unique-looking LED bars connecting the headlamps on the top of the grille. Talking about the grille, the new F-150 Lightning does not get a motor under the hood at the front, and the grille is basically for aesthetic purposes to maintain the family look. Instead of an engine, the F-150 Lightning offers 400 liters of luggage space under the hood, providing more practicality. At the back too, the Ford F-150 Lightning features a redesigned rear bumper with cleaner looks thanks to the absence of exhaust outlets. This new F-150 Lightning features the very same aluminium body-on-frame construction while also offering an independent suspension setup at the back. Compared to the regular F-150, the Lightning also offers low-resistance alloy wheel designs to reduce the air drag on the alloy wheels and improve the range. On the inside too, the Ford F-150 Lightning will carry forward the regular F-150's interior design and layout. However, the Lightning will add a 12-inch digital instrument cluster along with a massive 15.5-inch touchscreen system. This system is a part of Ford's new Sync 4A infotainment system series, offering all the connectivity options using the Ford Pass app, which can also be used to track the car and control the car's power along with other utilities such as lights and climate control. The new F-150 Lightning offers 4 electrical outlets and 2 USB chargers in the front storage compartment, while also offering a power at home function with the ability to use 9.6 kW of the battery charge to power a home for up to 3 days. This power outlet can also be used to power electrical equipment and tools, and similar to the regular F-150, the Lightning also provides work lights all around the car which can be turned on or off individually. Now talking about the powertrain, the F-150 Lightning features a dual-motor 4-wheel drive system producing 555 bhp and 775 pound-feet of torque. The dual electric motors are paired to a powerful lithium-ion battery pack ranging from 115 kWh to 150 kWh. As a result, the F-150 Lightning will provide official ranges of around 230 to 300 miles in the real-world conditions. This powerful dual electric motor setup also makes the F-150 Lightning pickup do the 0 to 60 mph dash in just around 4 seconds. Ford claims that with a super fast DC charger, the F-150 Lightning can be recharged to 80% in just 41 minutes. And being a pickup truck, the F-150 Lightning can tow up to 4,500 kilograms. The new F-150 Lightning also offers Blue Cruise hands-free driving, which works combined with the Ford Co-Pilot 360 and other driver assist systems on the pickup truck. This new Ford F-150 Lightning will be built at Ford's new Rouge Electric Vehicle Center in Dearborn, Michigan, and will be launched in the US in spring 2022 with a starting price of $39,974. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new Ford F-150 all-electric Lightning. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.